In this video, we'll see how to work on bulk updating of test cases. Now, for example, if I have 20 test cases in my test plan, which has different types of severity, one is very high, urgent, high or low. There are different types of severity which are present. Now, what I want is, if I want to convert all this severity of all the test cases as urgent or let's say very high, so I can use this method bulk updating of test cases. So I can select all the test cases and try to change this status, that is severity, I'll be changing it. So how do I do that? We'll be using the option named as replace. So let us see practically by using replace how we'll be working on bulk updating.
So let us see bulk updating of test cases in the test plan. So right now I'm in the test plan and these are all the different test cases which I have. Now if you observe here, for book flight ticket I have the status as imported. For book flights I have the status as nothing. For the flights I have the status as design. Now what if I want to change status of all the test cases in the test plan? So first of all you need to go to the view menu bar, select the option as test grid, and now if you carefully see in the status column I have design, imported, repair, ready and so on. These are different status. What if I want to change all the test cases status as repair? So for that I need to use some method named as replace. Right now whatever status you can see will be changed to repair. So first of all you can go to this edit menu bar, click on replace. It says find in field change status. So what are the different fields I want? I want to change the status field, so I'll just scroll it down and I'll select this status field from here. I want to find value to find. It says value to find, that is given as design, okay, imported, ready, repair. So first of all I'll select this design and I want to change into as repair. So I'll select as repair and then click on replace all. So if I click on replace all, observe at the back end wherever the design status was there, it was been changed to repair now, and I'll click on OK. Now the second one I want to change as imported, so I'll again click on this drop down, select as imported and I'll select replace with repair, click on replace all, and it says now there are two things which are replaced. So if you observe carefully, now all the status which are given here, they have been changed to repair itself. Now let us see one more. If I want to change the type of this test case, instead of manual, if I want to change to some other automation, I'll do the same thing. Click on this drop down, select this type, and right now value to find is given as manual. And what do I want to replace with? I want to replace with load runner scenario. So I'll select load runner scenario, click on replace all. And it says 15 replacements made, and if you observe at the back end all the values have been changed in the type column. I'll just change it back again because I don't want to do it anything here, because you'll be working on the same thing. I'll again click on replace all. Again from load runner scenario to manual test case it will be created. So I hope you have understood how to change the test cases or how to do the bulk updating of test cases in the test plan. That's all for this video.